Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about Irs in 6G. These are the contents: Irs, reconfigurable surface approaches, motivation of Irs, relay versus Irs, constraint of Irs, massive MIMO versus Irs edit system, Irs in indoor network. Conclusion. Intelligent reflecting surface is a large surface attached on a wall or a flat surface consisting of large number of low-cost reflecting electronic elements with reconfigurable parameter, such as conventional reflect arrays and varactor diodes or microelectrical mechanical system whose resonant frequency can be electronically controlled. These tiny electronic elements are capable of reflecting electromagnetic waves cast on them. The amplitude and the phase of the reflecting waves are affected, as well as the electromagnetic behavior of the wireless propagation channel. Iris is generally of a low profile, lightweight, and conformal geometry. It can be easily mounted on removed from environment objects for deployment replacement. Finally, IRS serves as an auxiliary device in wireless networks and can be integrated into them transparently, providing great flexibility and compatibility with existing wireless systems. Reconfigurable approaches of IRS. To reconfigure IRS for highly controllable reflection, there are three main approaches, namely mechanical actuation, mechanical rotation and translation, functional material, liquid crystal and graphene, electronic devices, pin diodes, FETs, MEMS switches. In particular, the third approach has been widely adopted in practical implementation due to its fast response time, low reflection loss, as well as relatively low energy consumption and hardware cost. IRS architecture, hardware, and practical constraint. The highly controllable reflection of IRS can be practically achieved by developing the existing digitally reconfigurable programmable metasurface. Especially, metasurface is a planar array composed of massive properly designed reflecting element metaatoms whose electrical thickness is typically in order of subwavelength of the signal of interest. By designing their geometry shape, the desired signal response can be realized. Motivation of Iris. Iris also possesses various practical advantages for implementation. First is reflecting elements only passively reflect the impinging signal without requiring any radio frequency change, and can be implemented operated with order of magnitude lower hardware energy cost as compared to traditional active antenna arrays or recently proposed active surfaces. Iris versus traditional relays. Besides, Iris operates in full duplex mode and is free of any antenna noise amplification as well as self-interference, which offers competitive advantage over traditional active relays, half duplex relays that suffer from low spectral efficiency, as well as full duplex relay that need sophisticated technique for self-interference cancellation. Constraint of IRS. However, in wireless communication, the channel is generally time varying due to the mobility of the transmitter and receiver as well as the surrounding object, calling for real-time tunable response of IRS based on the channel variation. To this end, IRS element need to be manufactured with dynamically adjustable reflection coefficient, and IRS is required to be programmable. Architecture of IRS. IRS controller, control circuit board, copper backplane, IRS tunable element, active point base station. Massive MIMO versus IRS aided system. IRS has a cost-effective and energy-saving technology. This is different from massive MIMO that leverages tens and even hundreds of active antenna to generate sharp beam directly, beamforming. An IRS-aided MIMO system allows the base station to be equipped with substantially less antenna without compromising the user quality of service by exploiting the large aperture of IRS to create a finely reflected beams via smart antenna passive reflections. As such, the system hardware cost and energy consumption can be significantly reduced, especially for wireless system migrating to higher frequency band in future. Massive MIMO versus Iris aided system. Here we are seeing in Iris aided small moderate MIMO system, a less number of antennas are deployed. Heterogeneous wireless network versus Iris aided hybrid wireless network. Iris has a way to reduce the number of active nodes in heterogeneous system. The existing wireless network rely on heterogeneous multi-tier architecture consisting of macro and small base station active point relays distributed antennas. They are all active nodes that generate new signal in the network, requiring sophisticated coordination and interference management among them in order to achieve the enhanced network capacity with more active node deployed. However, this approach inevitably aggravates the network operation overhead and may not be able to sustain the wireless network capacity growth cost effectively in the future. Irs as a way to reduce the number of active nodes in heterogeneous system. Integrating the Irs into the wireless network will shift the existing heterogeneous network with active component only to new hybrid architecture comprising both active and passive component co-working in an intelligent way. Since Iris are much lower cost as compared to their active counterpart, they can more densely deployed in wireless network at even lower cost, yet without the need of sophisticated interference management between the Iris thanks to their passive reflection and resultant local coverage. By optimally setting the ratios between the active base station and passive Iris deployed in the hybrid network, given their total cost, a sustainable network capacity scaling with a cost can be achieved. New Iris-aided hybrid network. Iris is suitable to be massively deployed in wireless network to significantly enhance its spectral and energy efficiency cost effectively. As such, it can envision that Iris will lead to fundamental pattern shift of wireless system network design, namely from existing massive MIMO system without Iris to new Iris-aided small moderate systems. MIMO system as well as from existing heterogeneous wireless network to new IRS-aided hybrid network in the future. Proposed IRS-aided aerial cellular communication system, boosting cellular dead zone. For user located in the service dead zone, IRS can be deployed to create a virtual line of sight link between the user and their serving base station active point that bypasses the obstacle between them. This is particularly useful for coverage extension in mm-wave terahertz communication that are highly vulnerable to blockage. Besides, deploying IRS at the cell edge not only improved the desired signal power at the cell edge user but also facilitated the separation of co-channel interference from neighboring cells to them. Moreover, to improve the cell efficiency of the simultaneous wireless information and power transfer from active point to the wireless device in smart office, home, the large aperture of iris can be leveraged to compensate for significant power loss over long distance by reflect beamforming to its nearby devices. How meta surfaces are used to direct signal to the direction of interest in metro cities. Iris in indoor and outdoor environment. Indoor environment, iris can be attached to the ceilings, walls, furniture, and even behind the painting decoration to achieve enhanced coverage, high capacity hotspot for stadiums, shopping center, airports. While in outdoor environment, iris can be coated on the building facade, lamp post, advertisement board, and even the surface of high-speed moving vehicle to support various applications. Application enhanced network throughput. Hybrid network with active points and passive IRS signal enhancement at the cell edge hotspot, improved network capacity with same energy consumption, densely populated areas such as airport, malls, stadiums, etc. Conclusion. Therefore, IRS is a disruptive technology for making our current suboptimal environment intelligent, which can potentially benefit a wide range of vertical industries in 5G, 6G, such as transportation, manufacturing, smart city, etc. Recently, IRS has been recognized as one of the promising technology for the future 6G ecosystem. In addition, there has been upsurge of interest in industry on implementation and commercializing IRS-like technology to create new value chains. So these are the references. Thank you.